Tapos paboses ko ka sa sabay.
Ba't kayo hindi kayo kita? Renzo!
Josh, bakit ka wala?
Di ba? Kasalanan niya eh.
Hello. Hello, everybody.
Wait lang baka parang kinakabahan ako ah.
Ikaw mong tayo ni Joteng.
Doon kayo hindi kayo kita.
Sino kuya?
Hindi ka kita, Mima Renzo. Madilim ba?
Gagawin natin. Now everybody. Practice! Practice pa tayo.
Dito kayo hindi kayo kita.
So tonight, this is the celebration. This afternoon, rather. This afternoon, the celebration of youth, elegance, and 2 decades of beauty, intelligence, and adjectives. Talent.
Our birthday girl, Eliza Joyce Francisco. Ayan. So that we will now witness the most awaited part of this party. Are you ready, everyone? Yes! So this one. Wala pang tama. Wala pa po ito. Kaya kakatama na.
Tulo na.
Pakata muna tayo, everyone. 1, 2, 3, go.
Happy birthday to you.
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, happy birthday, happy birthday to you. Isa pa. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, happy birthday, happy birthday to you. Alright. Once again, batiin natin ang sabay-sabay si Ally sa 1, 2, 3, go! Happy birthday!